So this is the PowerMore 250. It's the battery range extender for the Bosch Generation 4 and 5 e-bike motors. So you get the battery, bottle holder, and that's where you have to look for the full kit. I was wanting to get the bottle holder because that was one of the reasons I wanted to pick this up early, and then it includes the mounting bracket. I wanted to install this bracket wherever it needs to go, and according to Salsa, they say it should go on the bottom of the down tube. I wanted to figure out, where does this thing have to live and what sort of cable do you need to get, because that's the two things you need to know, is where you're going to put this, and then you need a cable to go from the battery and plug into the charging port on the bike. Oh, there's probably a dozen different cables, different lengths, and there's also different orientations, and the one that Salsa recommended was I get the 150 millimeter, about 6-inch long, and you have to get the cable that lays towards the battery holder. The battery is going to go on the frame, and the cable is going to come out of the bottom towards the holder and then come over here and plug into the charging port. But yeah, this is a 250 watt-hour battery. Yeah, there you go, and it's got the same mounts as the water bottle holder, and so the battery's going to go in like that, and then I guess this comes out here, plugs in there, and then this goes over and plugs into the charging port. Okay, there's the bike. Let me turn off my solar heating here. Yeah, there we go. I shut off the solar heat blowers so it's a little quieter out here. Yeah, so anyway, there's 3 water bottle threaded bosses here, there's 3 over here. The bracket has to go on this way, so that's going to go right in there. You got a little bit of up and down motion, and then the cable will come out here and it plugs in really nice, just lays over the bottom of the frame there and plugs right in. You can put the battery like in a bag and get an extra long cable to plug in. I like this location here because it's down low, keeps the weight down low, and it's a good place for a bottle holder if you're running a bottle holder. So yeah, that would be right in there when you're not using the battery. This bottle holder pretty much has to go there. This is in the upper of the 3 holes, upper pair. And yeah, it does clear. I think they're 22-ounce bottles. You can't pull the bottle straight out. You've got to come out to the side, but that's not bad. This one here, you've got to slide it up all the way to get room there. You can see the bottles actually touch there at the bottom. If it's, yeah, I like that. Yeah, you're not going to snag the cable or anything. It just goes right there. In the next video, we'll try to pair this battery with the motor, see if we can do that through the Flow app. So I'll have to go grab my phone here, so stay tuned for that, and as always, thanks for watching.